The world's most successful hedge fund manager, David Tepper, is making massive bets on the future of AI on his 𝗗𝗨𝗧 fund. In his latest filing in the third quarter of 2025, Tepper increased his AI exposure significantly by loading up on 3 AI stocks you need to know about. In this video, we're breaking down his top 3 AI stock picks: a high-performance computing powerhouse, a wireless tech pioneer putting AI in your pocket, and a Chinese tech giant dominating Asia. This is a rare look into a billionaire's playbook. Understanding why he's buying these stocks could give you a serious edge. We'll dissect each company, their strategic advantages, and why Tepper is so bullish on their future. Hit the like button, share the video, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. So, let's dive right in. These insights could be game-changing for your portfolio. This content is for education only, not financial advice. First up on Tepper's AI list, Advanced Micro Devices, ticker AMD. This company, once considered a perennial underdog in the semiconductor world, has steadily transformed itself into a formidable force in the high-stakes AI race. For decades, AMD was overshadowed by larger rivals, but through relentless innovation and strategic leadership, it's now a serious contender in high-performance computing, the backbone of the AI revolution. The company's journey from near bankruptcy to industry leader is nothing short of remarkable. AI needs immense computational power, and AMD's cutting-edge chip designs are now challenging the industry leader NVIDIA. While NVIDIA has long dominated the AI hardware space, AMD is rapidly closing the gap, offering competitive alternatives that are gaining traction among major players. Under the visionary leadership of CEO Lisa Su, AMD's Ryzen and EPYC processors have steadily gained ground in both consumer and enterprise markets. But the real excitement is around their Instinct MI series GPUs, purpose-built for the demanding AI workloads that power today's data centers and tomorrow's breakthroughs. Take the MI300X chip, for example. This powerhouse combines advanced CPU and GPU technologies into a single package, enabling it to handle the massive data and compute requirements of generative AI models. It's a leap forward in efficiency and performance, designed to meet the needs of the world's most advanced AI systems. In today's rapidly evolving tech landscape, major companies are wary of relying on a single supplier for their critical AI infrastructure. AMD's Ryzen offers these companies a compelling alternative to NVIDIA, opening doors to lucrative contracts and strategic partnerships that were once out of reach. Tepper sees AMD as a key supplier in the AI gold rush, manufacturing some of the best shovels for the industry. As demand for AI accelerates, AMD's expanding presence in data centers positions it as a crucial enabler of the next wave of technological innovation. AMD's push into AI-specific hardware, plus their acquisition of Xilinx for adaptable FPGAs, makes them a comprehensive AI infrastructure player. FPGAs, or field programmable gate arrays, are prized for their flexibility and speed, allowing customers to tailor hardware for specific AI tasks, a major advantage in a fast-changing field. The AI chip market is projected to be worth hundreds of billions of dollars in the coming years, and AMD is strategically positioned to capture a significant share. As AI applications expand into new industries, the demand for high-performance, energy-efficient chips will only intensify. Investing in AMD is a bet on the exponential growth of high-performance computing and the ongoing AI arms race. The company's stock has reflected this optimism, with investors closely watching every product launch and partnership announcement. But AMD's strategy isn't just about dominating data centers. They're integrating AI capabilities across their entire product stack, making advanced AI features standard on laptops and desktops. This means everyday users, from students to professionals, will benefit from AI-powered experiences right out of the box. Tepper's investment signals deep confidence in AMD's leadership, its ambitious product roadmap, and its ability to take market share from larger, more established rivals. Analysts point to AMD's consistent execution and innovative culture as key drivers of its recent success. As the number 2 player in the space, AMD doesn't need to be first to deliver strong returns. It just needs to keep executing and capitalizing on the industry's explosive growth. The company's ability to adapt and innovate has already proven doubters wrong. The company's financials back up the story: growing revenue, improving margins, and a robust data center segment tied directly to AI. These fundamentals provide a solid foundation for future growth, even as competition heats up. AMD's acquisition of Xilinx adds customizable solutions for enterprise customers, further strengthening their position. This move not only diversifies AMD's product offerings, but also deepens its relationships with key clients in industries like telecommunications, automotive, and healthcare. Behind the scenes, AMD's engineers are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in chip design, working tirelessly to deliver faster, more efficient solutions for the world's most complex AI challenges. Advanced Micro Devices arrives as a heavyweight in the chip race, carrying a market capitalization of $335.4 billion and trading at a price-to-earnings ratio of 108.43. Its most recent earnings per share sit at $1.90, and last year AMD pulled in $25.78 billion in revenue while reporting a net income of $1.64 billion, numbers that reflect both rapid top-line growth and the margin pressures typical of a fast-scaling semiconductor player investing heavily in next-generation computing and AI chips. The risk-reward profile is attractive. Tepper is betting on a challenger with a long runway for growth. With a culture of innovation and a track record of overcoming adversity, AMD is well positioned to seize new opportunities as AI reshapes the global economy. AMD's narrative, a challenger brand, now a top-tier semiconductor giant, perfectly positioned for the AI boom. Its story is one of resilience, vision, and relentless pursuit of excellence. For Tepper, AMD is a key piece of the infrastructure powering the next decade of innovation. As AI becomes more deeply embedded in every aspect of our lives, companies like AMD will be at the heart of this transformation. The takeaway? The AI hardware market isn't zero-sum. Multiple companies can thrive, and AMD is a smart, strategic bet for those looking to ride the next wave of technological disruption. This video is brought to you by Value Stocks Investing Master Course. If you're looking to grow your wealth by investing in solid, undervalued stocks but not sure where to start, I created the Value Stocks Investing Master Course to teach you how to identify great companies, make smart investment decisions, and build a portfolio that lasts. Click the link in the description and pinned comments to get the course today and take control of your financial future. Let's move to the next pick. Next up, let's dive into Tepper's second major AI play, Qualcomm, ticker symbol QCOM, a company that's quietly shaping the future of artificial intelligence in ways most people don't even realize. While Qualcomm is already famous for powering your smartphone's 5G connectivity, it's now taking center stage in what's called Edge AI. This means bringing the power of artificial intelligence directly onto your device, your phone, your car, your laptop, rather than relying on distant cloud servers. Edge AI is a game changer. Instead of sending your data to the cloud for processing, your device can now handle complex AI tasks right where you are. This shift makes everything faster, more private, and more energy efficient. Imagine voice assistants that respond instantly, photo editing that happens in real time, and security features that never leave your device, all thanks to Edge AI. At the heart of this revolution are Qualcomm's Snapdragon processors, which now come equipped with dedicated AI engines. These chips are designed from the ground up to accelerate AI workloads, making them essential for the next generation of smart devices. Tepper's investment is a bet that AI will soon be a must-have feature in billions of devices, and Qualcomm is positioned to deliver the best on-device AI performance in the industry. Their latest Snapdragon chipsets feature the Hexagon processor, a specialized AI engine that can run advanced workloads with incredible speed and efficiency. This is critical for mobile devices, where battery life and responsiveness matter most. Every Android flagship phone is a potential customer, and as Apple pushes its own on-device AI, the entire Android ecosystem will demand Qualcomm's most advanced chips to keep up. But Qualcomm's ambitions go far beyond smartphones. The company is rapidly expanding into automotive and personal computing. Their Snapdragon digital chassis is already powering advanced driver assistance systems and next-generation infotainment in cars, making vehicles smarter, safer, and more connected. Meanwhile, their ARM-based laptop chips like the Snapdragon X Elite are challenging industry giants by offering AI-driven performance and all-day battery life. Qualcomm is also making moves in the smart home and IoT space, embedding AI into everything from smart speakers to security cameras. This broad reach means Qualcomm's technology is quietly becoming the backbone of our connected lives, even in places you might not expect. Tepper sees a company with a dominant mobile business and massive new growth opportunities in automotive, PCs, and beyond, all driven by the rise of AI at the edge. As more industries adopt AI, Qualcomm's chips and platforms are set to become even more indispensable. What really sets Qualcomm apart is its business model. Not only does it sell chips, but it also licenses essential wireless patents to nearly every major device maker. This generates high-margin, recurring revenue streams that provide financial stability and fuel further innovation. Qualcomm looks like the steady cash engine of the mobile world, a $172.19 billion market cap, a PE of 31.79, and earnings per share of $5.02. In 2024, Qualcomm generated $38.96 billion in revenue and converted that into $10 to $14 billion of net income, underscoring its dominant licensing business and profitable Snapdragon portfolio that continue to produce strong free cash flow. This financial strength allows Qualcomm to invest heavily in research and development, keeping it at the forefront of technology. Its vast patent portfolio acts as a formidable moat. Nearly every modern smartphone relies on Qualcomm's inventions, making it difficult for competitors to catch up. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into wireless standards and everyday devices, Qualcomm's influence will only grow. Tepper's investment is a bet that the market is underestimating Qualcomm's potential to lead the AI revolution, not just in smartphones, but across the entire connected ecosystem. The company is enabling the next era of computing, one that's personal, responsive, and seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. For Tepper, Qualcomm is the perfect complement to AMD, covering the full spectrum of AI, from the cloud all the way to the edge. The AI story is much bigger than just data centers. Qualcomm is leading the charge to make AI truly ubiquitous, putting intelligence into billions of devices worldwide. Tepper's move signals strong confidence that Qualcomm's growth in edge AI is still underappreciated by the market, and that the company is just getting started. Now, let's look at his third pick. Tepper's third AI bet takes us to China. Baidu, ticker symbol BIDU, a company that's become synonymous with the nation's technological ambitions. In the heart of Beijing, Baidu stands as a symbol of China's rapid digital transformation and its race to lead the world in artificial intelligence. Often called the Google of China, Baidu began as a search engine, but has evolved far beyond its origins. Today, it's a tech powerhouse, driving innovation across multiple sectors and shaping the future of AI in Asia's largest market. Baidu's long-term investment in AI is paying off. They're at the forefront of China's AI boom, from cloud computing to autonomous driving. Their research labs are buzzing with activity, and their data centers power some of the most advanced AI models in the world. Their 𝗗𝗓𝗦𝗧, a powerful large language model, is integrated across Baidu's products, giving them a homegrown advantage in China's unique market. 𝗗𝗓𝗦𝗧 isn't just a chatbot. It's a foundational technology that powers search, smart devices, and enterprise solutions tailored for Chinese language and culture. But Baidu is more than chatbots. Their Apollo Go platform is a global leader in autonomous driving, already running driverless robotaxi services in major cities. These vehicles are not just test projects, they're transporting real passengers every day, gathering invaluable data, and refining Baidu's self-driving algorithms. This isn't just hype. It's a real, revenue-generating business scaling rapidly. Baidu's financials show strong growth in AI-driven segments, and their ability to monetize these innovations sets them apart from many global competitors still in the experimental phase. Baidu AI Cloud, deeply integrated with their AI models, enables thousands of Chinese businesses to build their own AI applications. From retail to healthcare, Baidu's cloud services are helping companies automate, analyze, and innovate at scale, fueling a new wave of digital transformation across China. Investing in Baidu gives Tepper exposure to the world's second-largest economy's rapid AI adoption. China's government and private sector are both pushing hard for AI leadership, and Baidu is at the center of this national effort. Despite geopolitical concerns, Baidu's fundamentals are strong: technology, market position, and government support. The company's deep ties with policymakers and its alignment with China's strategic priorities provide a level of stability and opportunity that's hard to find elsewhere. Baidu trades at a much lower valuation than Western peers, a classic value play for Tepper. While American tech giants command premium prices, Baidu offers similar innovation at a significant discount, making it an attractive proposition for value-focused investors. Their profitable search business funds high-growth ventures like autonomous driving and cloud AI, reducing risk. This self-sustaining model allows Baidu to invest aggressively in the future while maintaining a solid financial foundation. Baidu's ecosystem, AI models, applications, cloud platform, and autonomous driving, is vertically integrated and hard to compete with in China. This integration creates powerful network effects, locking in users and partners while accelerating innovation. The Chinese government's prioritization of AI provides a powerful tailwind. With supportive policies, funding, and a clear national strategy, Baidu is well positioned to benefit from China's ambition to become a global AI superpower. Baidu's talent pool and R&D are world-class, giving them a sustainable edge. Their teams attract top engineers and scientists, many trained at leading universities in China and abroad, ensuring Baidu stays ahead in the AI arms race. Tepper's investment is a multi-layered bet on China's growth, AI adoption, Baidu's dominance, and a mispriced stock. It's a strategic move that recognizes both the risks and the outsized rewards possible in this dynamic market. The Apollo Go robo-taxi service is a crown jewel, with every mile driven strengthening their technological lead. As these vehicles become more common, Baidu's data advantage grows, making it harder for competitors to catch up. Baidu combines a stable core business with high-growth AI ventures, all at a discounted valuation. This rare blend of profitability, innovation, and value is what makes Baidu stand out in the global tech landscape. Baidu sits today as a sizable force in China's internet economy, carrying a market capitalization of $38.5 billion and trading at a modest price-to-earnings ratio of 10.08. Its earnings per share are $10.96, and in 2024, the company recorded 133.12 billion Chinese yuan in revenue, while converting that scale into a 23.17 billion Chinese yuan net income, a level of profitability that highlights how deeply monetized Baidu's search, cloud, and AI services have become. For Tepper, Baidu is a calculated risk with massive long-term potential. The company's ability to execute on multiple fronts, search, cloud, autonomous driving, and AI, makes it a compelling choice for investors seeking exposure to China's tech future. The AI revolution is global. Tepper's move acknowledges China's critical role. As the world's tech landscape shifts, understanding and investing in leaders like Baidu is essential for anyone looking to capture the next wave of innovation. Let's wrap up with the big picture. Baidu is not just a Chinese tech giant, it's a cornerstone of the global AI ecosystem, and for investors like Tepper, it represents both a challenge and an extraordinary opportunity. So, there you have it, a look inside David Tepper's AI strategy. AMD for data center power, Qualcomm for edge AI, and Baidu for China's explosive growth. It's a diversified strategic approach, investing in the fundamental enablers of the AI ecosystem. The common thread platform companies poised to benefit from a multi-decade trend. Which of these three AI stocks, AMD, Qualcomm, or Baidu, do you think has the most long-term potential? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and subscribe when and join our community for more in-depth investing analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. This content is for education, not financial advice.